Welcome to Drive 615. My name is Byron Glover Jr. Hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than the normal Drive 615 upload. First, I'm going to give you an update on the 2020 C8. Then I'm going to roll into a compilation of some of my favorite footage that I filmed of C8s over the past couple months. Beside me is my father's 2015 C7 Z06, hands down one of my all-time favorite vehicles. I've been super fortunate enough through Drive 615 to be able to drive quite a bit of supercars and luxury vehicles, and this still is hands down one of the best all-around vehicles I've ever experienced. I cannot wait to experience the 2020 C8 mid-engine Corvette. However, we're going to have to wait until February of 2020. That is when the production of the vehicle will now start. The news came out today as a result of the UAW strike. Things kind of got shifted back. That was a 40-day strike. So now February 2020 will be the official start date of production of the C8. They still need to wrap up with the C7, then switch over, retool, and get the ball rolling on the C8. This won't personally affect me. I don't have an order out in the vehicle, nor does anyone in my family. But a lot of my friends do. I know they were kind of bummed out that they're not going to be able to start driving their car for the new year, right at the end of 2019. Hopefully though, I'll get a press car. I don't know when, but I've been fortunate enough to get a press car in the past from Chevrolet, so hoping I can get the C8 so I can bring you guys some really interesting content, unique content. You guys have seemed to love the videos that I've done on the C8 so far, over 1 million views in total on the past 5 videos that I posted with the C8. So speaking of that, go ahead and enjoy this compilation of the C8 footage. If you haven't subscribed to the Drive 615 channel, please consider doing so. We're at 127,000 subscribers at the time of this video. My next goal is 200,000, so go ahead and subscribe, share this video, leave a like, leave a comment down below what your thoughts are on the production being moved until February of 2020, and also comment down below what your favorite color and spec on the C8 is. That's it. We'll see you guys around. Enjoy these clips. All right, Drive 615, we found it, the 2020 Corvette C8. Here it is. I mean, just take a look at it. It's just crazy. It's just like so satisfying to see it right now and just all of its glory. All right, we found it. Wow. There we go, guys. We spent the whole day and we found it. Pretty wild. Let's get a full look around here. Yeah. Look at the wheels. Look at these brake calipers. This spec on this is very interesting. That's wild. That's all carbon fiber through there? Exposed carbon? Wow. Sounds good. Sounds so good. Alright, Drive 615. We are in the 2020 C8 Corvette behind the wheel. This one's an interesting spec. I love the center stripe. It's obviously just kind of a racing point of view to keep you dead center. So really cool car. Take a look here on the inside. Absolutely wild. I really do like this spec. It's just crazy. Again, seeing all these buttons down through here. This opens up to our cup holders. We've got our center console here, which is actually a button. You just simply push that button in, that releases that. But I think this might be the coolest part of the car. Your rear view right into your mid-engine. Quite a bit of carbon fiber up underneath there. Again, here's just a nice point of view of everything. Here's our start-stop button right there. Here you can adjust the vent, adjust your volume, your home button. In black two-tone interior on a silver exterior. It's actually pretty incredible. I'm liking it a lot more than I thought I would. Again, there's all your display buttons down through here. It's a full line of them. very driver focused, as all this is kind of angled towards you. In manual mode, and here's where you can change between the different modes. Same as the C7, except it does add Z mode, which is kind of a unique mode tailored to your needs. This is unreal. Look at that. Guys, look at this. Another one! What? Wow. This one's got some interesting wheels on it. Take a look at those. Okay, so we got the chrome badging on this one. Okay, I wasn't lying. There's another one. Wow. I mean, I'm in like information overload right now. I'll finish up on this one, then we'll go get the other one. This has got an interesting interior. I have not seen this interior yet on a C8 yet. And then we've got the carbon fiber roof on this one as well. Let's take a look at this one. I think it looks so much better with the black Corvette badging. So far, this one might be up there on my top list of favorite specs. C8 cold start. Another C8 cold start. one's still cooling down. It's got some heat waves coming off the top of it.
I want to say it was 3 inches wider on each side.
Four C8s in a row, plus one over there. It's absolutely unreal. Wow.
That's great. I gotta get inside. All right, well, thank you very much. Yep, thank you very much. Take care. Right. So now I want to go back and look at VIN numbers.
This is wild.
It's VIN number 11. Wow.
This is absolutely gorgeous. Here we got the rapid blue C8 Corvette. Wow. Absolutely gorgeous. Really is popping here in this Kentucky sunlight. Wow.